Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video I will show you how to install SolidWorks 2026 for Windows free trial from the official website of solidworks.com. So in our last video I downloaded that, and in this video I will install it. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open SolidWorks 2026 and start your installation. Every product of SolidWorks 2026 needs serial key, so I just selected 2 products and I just want them. In the video I didn't show the serial number. Now I will unmark all the products that I don't want to install, and also I don't have the serial numbers for that. Step 2. Once you unmarked all the products, we are going to install that, and before you go further you need to click on I accept the terms. Without that you can't go further, so I use localhost. Now wait for the installation to be done. That will take several minutes to be installed. After the installation you need to restart your PC to start the SolidWorks, so we need to restart it, otherwise the app won't work. Now I restarted the computer and let's open the SolidWorks 2026.